Welcome back to another season of recaps. I'm Keely, and throughout our season together, I'm going to be showing you everything 1466. And there's no time like the present. We started kickoff weekend at HVA. Thank you HVA Robotics for hosting. Our team spent time giving and going to presentations. We hosted presentations in media, composites, scouting, mentorship, outreach, and more. Then we went to the game reveal. After the exciting reveal, we went back to home base for a deep dive into the game manual. We did a World Cafe style rotation that allowed everyone on the team to fully understand the rules. Then we came back the next day for a Sunday strategy day. We finalized our plan for the robot and began field construction. Going into this next week, we'll be focusing on prototyping the mechanisms to complete the goals we set this weekend. 1466 is ready for the new season, and I'm excited to keep y'all updated on our progress. Good luck!